फाइल रोहतगी। आप सबको पता है कि ASG एडिशनल सॉलिसिटर जनरल ने किस प्रकार से आर्यन खान की बेल को अपोज किया। ही गेव एग्जांपल ऑफ शौविक चक्रवर्तीज जेल टर्म एंड अदर एग्जांपल्स व्हिच वर रेलेवेंट एज पर हिज आर्ग्यूमेंट। मगर यहाँ पर सीनियर एडवोकेट अमित देसाई का कहना है wanting to get bail for Aryan Khan, and his arguments, I'm just going to be reading it in front of you because I want everybody to become aware of how the law works in this country, because we need to understand that so as to make required changes in that as well as help in the better functioning of our country. Senior advocate का कहना है we have an equal duty to the constitution and the law. I would urge the gentleman on the other side to also recognize the legislative changes. The 2001 amendment rationalized the sentencing structure of offences by making it dependent on the quantity of the drug, thus making it reformative. Without affecting the ongoing investigation, bail can be granted, as bail doesn't take away their right to continue with the investigation. उन्होंने आगे ये भी कहा है that आर्यन खान के साथ NCB has crossed the line to oppose the bail application of his. Retraction of Aryan Khan is on record. I think retraction here is of the admission to consumption of drugs, or maybe Arbaz's retraction statement that the drugs were for consumption for Aryan Khan also. I don't know exactly what retraction is on record. Advocate Desai का कहना on the statement of the accused that he gave the mobile phones voluntarily, उसके ऊपर उनका कहना है that the mobile phones were seized but there was no seizure पंचनामा। आगे उनका ये भी कहना है that कोई alleged connection के ऊपर with the co-accused आप आर्यन खान की बेल को अपोज नहीं कर सकते। Advocate Desai का ये भी कहना है that the magistrate had a chance to look into the investigation papers and still refused to grant NCB custody. I think this was when the case was in magistrate court. Desai का ये भी कहना है that Shauvik's case has to be distinguished from end consumer's case because Shauvik didn't consume but dealt in drugs regularly as a dealer. Today's generation have a different mean of communication. I think he's talking about the WhatsApp chats, जिसमें वो लोग कह रहे थे NCB के लोग कि हमको ड्रग रिलेटेड चैट्स मिली, एंड एक्चुअली हम लोग व्हाट्सएप पे आजकल बहुत अलग तरीके से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. देयर आर वेरियस वेज ऑफ कम्युनिकेटिंग. इनफैक्ट you have to read people's WhatsApp chats to understand what they think and how they address their friends, their partners, their family members. But that is their personal WhatsApp chats and personal way of addressing or talking with their friends and family. But by no stretch of imagination, this boy, yani Aryan Khan, is involved in illicit intentional drug trafficking, and writing to MEA etc. continue doing that and continue with the investigation but grant him liberty. Desai also continues that presumption of guilt under section 35 of NDPS Act applies during trial and not during investigation. Advocate Desai का WhatsApp chat के ऊपर ये भी कहना है that the context is important in which two people have a conversation. मैंने आपको कहा आज की तारीख में हम लोग बहुत अलग तरीके से बातचीत करते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स फैमिली के साथ, and that बातचीत करने का तरीका is not an insult, is not hinting something else if that person is actually not guilty. We have a different way of communication. So let's see अभी आर्यन खान को बेल मिलती है कि नहीं on October 20th. I think he deserves a bail, but I am not the judge. It's just my personal opinion looking at all the factors and all the arguments. Namaste, Jai Hind.